bug in my box car, the MRC 1909. I wasn't really quite that happy, but here we have the box car. I've taken the top off. I did go out and decided to try the Digitrax. This is the 006, the 16-bit version. A little worried about the size, but it is sizes will fit very nicely into it. So we're going to test those two out. And the problem that I was having was I just can't quite change the volume. It seems like I can turn the volume off, but once I put the CV on 1, it seems to be the same level as 1415. So I did download an app. I was going to do a little testing real quick before I tear this one apart. We'll test this one and evaluate it, see what we come up with. Okay, the first test that I'll do real quick is that the volume is basically set at 16, which is the max, and the horn and engine rumble are set up pretty high. So we'll try this and see what the dB reading is, and go from there. Say, and the rumble is also set up to okay, we're peaking at 66. That's a 76 for the horn. And the diesel rumble is actually kind of overriding the bell, about the same level, 66. Okay, I've changed the volume level down to the lowest it'll go, and we'll see what type of readings we get here. And we see it's definitely fallen off. 56. And 66. So there's about a 10 dB one over the other. So 56 to 66. Okay, this time I put the volume back up at max, but I took the horn and turned it down to its lowest setting of 1, and the diesel rumble down to 1. See what kind of readings we get here. Okay, diesel reading 56, 57. Horn is 70. Oh, that puts the horn up there louder than it was before. Okay, I want to do one last check, and I reduced the master volume as low as it'll go, the horn as low as it'll go, and also the rumble, the diesel rumble, as low as it'll go. Let's see what we get here. Peak 56, 57, which is about what we had last time, very close to it. 68. Horn is only reduced to 2 dB. So we really didn't gain very much by reducing all three of those. There is some control, but not as much as kind of what I wanted to see. So we'll try the other one. The one thing with the NCE controller, I find that I cannot talk directly to the programming track or the CVs on there. I am using the JMRI software to actually do the programming of the CVs. So okay, so we'll stop here. I will get the other one lined up here, and we'll run a couple checks on the Digitrax 006 unit. Okay, I removed the other sound bug from MRC and installed the Digitrax sound bug 006. Once again, using some hot glue. The other one came out pretty easy. It was nice. The hot glue peeled right off the frame. I used the sugar cube speaker from SBS DCC, and I did have to add a short jumper cable on the screw down. It's actually for where the track goes in, either side here. Tied those into the black wires for the truck. The other ones are side tied into the red wires. I did go and shorten up the capacitor leads just a little bit. Once again, reinstalled that with hot glue, and we're ready to test it. Once again, had to lay it at a slight angle to make sure that it would fit inside the boxcar, but it is going to fit. Okay, we have it on the programming track, and a couple of quick things. Once the Digitrax, probably pick it up sound bug for somewhere between $40–45. I happened to get this one free shipping, GPS 97 trains. I'll put his website up on the on here for you. But instead of watching me go through all the testing, I'd just like to tell you that at 3/4 volume, I took a set of readings, and by actually taking the master volume and going up to this highest point, well, I took it to 14. The highest CV you can put in, the number you can put in the CV is 15. But I definitely got a 6 dB rise, just about out of everything. The horn, the bell, the rumble, all increased 6 dB. Then what I did was I put the volume back down to 9, and then I actually lowered the volume for the rumble and for the horn, and I could see, instead of having 59, it decreased a lot less. I only got 1 dB pretty much out of all of them. The bell actually decreased a little bit more, 6 dB. But here, I'll start it up for you. I've got this set now to the 3/4 volume that the sound bug comes in. I also found too that both my NCE controller will program this unit, and also I've been working with the MJRI software, and it controls it just fine. So that's kind of a plus for this. They were reading about 48 with the rumble. Uh, 62 on the horn, and 57 for the bell. So take it up here a little bit in speed. I think I'm a little bit more pleased with this one here. We'll put it on the track. We'll get the cover back on it, put it on the track, see how it sounds there. It seems like this one is a few dB less, and I was kind of looking for a little bit less sounds. It looks like it. I can program it probably a little bit closer to where I want it. So, nice thing also about the Digitrax is that if you do find another sound file that you like, you can program that in there. This one happens to be the Alco one that they have with the RS1, and it sounds pretty good. If I can find a custom sound file that sounds a little bit better, we'll put that in. So okay, let's put it on the track, put the cover back on, and see how it sounds there. Okay, we've got the boxcar all back together on the tracks. It's got a very nice sound to it. Of course, it's 16-bit. I believe the MRC is only 8-bit. So it looks real good. Anyway, we'll wrap this video up. And you have a good day. Hopefully this video has helped out a little bit. Thank you for watching.